what I want to show is how to take a After Effects file and bring it into Premiere. There's a couple ways that you can do this, but I think the easiest way is actually just to drag and drop your composition. So in here, I have this button press, turns that there. And all I have to do is drag my main composition from After Effects into Photoshop, into Premiere, not Photoshop. And you'll see that it comes in, and I can just drag and drop it directly on top of the spot that I need it in. And so now we'll see when I press play, there might be a bit of a delay, but totally works. What's also super cool is if I come back to After Effects and I turn off something like my background, Control S to save it, and I know I'm transparent because I can click here and see the transparency, and I do Control S to save it, or Command S. Now it has updated inside Photoshop, inside Premiere. Keep doing that. So a super easy way to do that. You can also go to File and Import and bring in that specific file that you want anyway. So if I go and I find an example, let's get this geometric example, and it's going to ask me what specific composition I want to bring in. It may take a second depending on how long you are, how fast your computer is or how large your file is, but it eventually will connect and you can just select your specific composition that you want. Just like that. We'll see that is now inside here. It's going to render, so it's going to take a little bit of time. I might want to hit enter to be able to render everything. So now that it is finished rendering, press play, we'll see it, and it will look correct inside your screen.